First, let's talk about the 127 series sliding door disassembly tutorial. Suck the glass suction cup on the glass. After the glass suction cup is placed, place these two wooden sticks next to it as a pressure relief device. Lift the whole frame glass down. Repeat the same steps. Use this level to check. To check the verticality of the door frame, use a level on the left and right sides to check the verticality of this door frame. Then check again if the level of the ground is parallel. Check 3 points. You need to check before starting the installation. Measure whether the values below and in the middle are the same. If the data deviation is large, it is possible that the door has been deformed. If there is no problem with the inspection, you can start installing the glass. Pay attention to the front and back of this door. This is the interior surface. The outmost one, this is the indoor side. The hook surface is facing inwards. Be careful not to install it upside down. The lock is on this side. After installing the first door, there is no problem before installing the second door. Now install the second door. When installing the second door, pay attention to this door. This part is hooked outwards. This part should be hooked outwards. Pay attention to this structure. After installing the suction cup, you can install the second door. Notice again, this is the part that ticks outward. These two need to overlap. Look at this when you go in. Look at the track. This orbit, this place is slotted. When it doesn't go into the groove, it will go to one side. When it doesn't go into the slot, it's like this. Be sure to note that this card position needs to be slotted. If it doesn't enter the slot, it will be like this. After installing the second one, check if this part is aligned. Look at this part. This is just the position of a fan. This is the position of the glass glue. Then we put the suction cup again. To install the third door, the third one also needs to check the track. Check if the position of the track is correct, and whether the track is in the groove. After installing each one, check this position. After the third door is installed, pay attention to see if the lock is on the side. This third door, this position is also ticked inward. Install the last glass door, the fourth door. It's all installed now. After installation, remove the suction cup. Let's check if the 4 doors, to see if the sliding is normal. Okay, let's check the push-pull effect. It's very smooth.